Also, universities donated money where it mattered, did everything in communities that will affect real people.
Distinguished Senator Ben Ndiaye.
Thank you very much, Chino. My distinguished colleagues in the National Burial Committee, gentlemen of the further state of the realm, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to rest on the well-established protocol by Chimampa. Our message here this morning is to convey to you all the dates for the burial activities of our great leader, hero, and President General of Ohaneze Worldwide, Chief Sir Engineer Emmanuel Anyanwu, OFR, CON, CFR, Ohaneze Ndigbo. With deep sorrow, but gratitude to God for a life well spent, we announce the passing of our dear father, grandfather, statesman, philanthropist, industrialist, pillar of sports, renowned engineer, Chief Dr. Emmanuel Anyanwu, Ohaneze Ndigbo, MFR, OFR, CFR, fellow Nigerian Society of Engineers, KSC, DSSSRS, JP, the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo Worldwide, who transitioned to glory on Thursday, July 25th, 2024, at the age of 82. Dates for the funeral events at the respective locations are as follows. 1. The Lagos Day of Tribute will be Wednesday, 16th of October, 2024. The venue is Eco Hotel Convention Center. I repeat, Lagos Day of Tribute, Wednesday, 16th October 2024, venue Eco Hotel Convention Center. 2. Abuja Day of Tribute, Friday, 18th October 2024, venue is the National Ecumenical Center, Abuja. Again, Abuja Day of Tribute, Friday, 18th October 2024, venue National Ecumenical Center, Abuja. 3. Enugu Day of Tribute, Saturday, 26th October 2024, brief stop at Ohaneze Headquarters, 7 Park Lane, GRA, Enugu. Main event will hold at the Opera Square in Enugu. I repeat, Enugu Day of Tribute, Saturday, 26th October 2024, brief stop at Ohaneze Headquarters, Enugu, 7 Park Lane, GRA. Main event, Opera Square, Enugu. 4. Owerri Service of Songs, Tuesday, 29th October 2024, Ata Ikeduru, Owerri. I repeat, Owerri Service of Songs, Tuesday, 29th October 2024, Ata Ikeduru, Owerri. 5A, Commendation Service. Commendation Service, 1st of November at the Katol, Owerri, 8 a.m. Commendation service, 1st November, at the Katol, Owerri, 8 a.m. 5B, Imo Day of Burial, Friday, 1st November 2024, Ata Ikeduru, Imo State. Imo Day of Burial, Friday, 1st November 2024, Ata Ikeduru, Imo State. Further details will be communicated in due course. We kindly solicit your prayers and support during the time of mourning. May his gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Thank you very much.
With our leader, the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide, to visit Mazi Nnamdikanu in the DSS facility. I would think that was his last official assignment. I was there with him, with a host of Igbo leaders on that day. Prior to that, he had never missed an opportunity to seek for the release of Nnamdikanu, who had written letters personally signed by him, seeking audience with Mr. President. Scheduling was the issue. So he carried that banner and carried that banner until the very last day on earth. On restructuring, he never missed his words about equity, fairness, and justice. And he knew, as Igbo nation, as Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide, we couldn't do it alone. So we had a canvas. The Southern and Middle Belt Forum leadership, PANDEF, Afenifere, Middle Belt Forum, we operated on that canvas. It gave us opportunity to canvass this issue of restructuring. It gave us opportunity to seek parity. Because if you check, Southeast is the only geopolitical zone that has 5 states. The PG asks for parity. If others have 7, give Southeast 7. If others have 6, give Southeast 6, not 5. But today he's no more. We in Ohaneze, the stakeholders, the leaders, will continue to pursue these issues that were very dear to his heart. And we want to give assurances that we will not fail. He tells his story with history. He has scars of the Civil War. He was a young man. He fought. And no regrets on the 2 issues you have raised: seeking justice, seeking fairness, asking for restructuring, asking for the release of Mazi Nnamdikanu. I'm sure where he is, he would never regret on these 2 critical issues. He meant well for the Igbo nation. He meant well for the Southeast. He wanted a Southeast of development, Southeast where people will be proud of where they come from. And then to talk to Nigeria about the Southeast. These things kept him alive, these things kept him awake, and the word regret he will not have. Thank you.
in the condolence visit by the Middle Belt elders, Forum, and Pandit will recall that they made very strong demands that the federal government should immortalize the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo. And we are also going to make that demand strongly, because Chief Emmanuel Anyanwu was undisputedly one of the foremost statesmen of this country in any and every aspect of endeavor we look at. So it will be in our interest to join hands with the other groups and work hand in gloves with the Southeast Governors Forum led by the chairman, His Excellency Senator Hope Uzodimma. Fortunately, the Director General of the Southeast Governors Forum is here, who will work hand in gloves with them. And the follow-up to the question, the fourth question, if the federal government and the NFF will be participating. Of course, we will be visiting the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Probably will be led by the Chairman of Governors Forum and his brother governors to formally put the demise of Chief Emmanuel Anyanwu before them. And we are sure that for all Chief Emmanuel Anyanwu has done, the President will do the needful. On that of the NFF, the burial committee will definitely meet with them.
We are in touch with Nigerian Society of Engineers. He's the foremost engineer, so they are participating. In fact, they have cancelled their trip to Kenya because they want to fully participate in this burial. We are talking to the aviation sector, where he also played a major role, and we are glad that we have an arrowhead in the aviation sector here. So there are several sectors. You can't even describe Chief Emmanuel the way we are doing it, but we'll get to somewhere before the burial date. Thank you.